Good morning, children. Let us begin with Standard 6 English Grammar, Unit 7 Prepositions. So, what is a preposition? A preposition is a word which is placed before a noun or a pronoun to show the relation in which the person or thing denoted by the noun stands to something else. So this word, a preposition, it shows you the connection between the noun and what we are talking about in the sentence. For example, the book is on the table. So here your preposition is on, and it is showing the relation of the book with the table. Second, Tom agreed with me on that point. So with is the preposition, and it is showing the relation between agreed and the pronoun me. The third one, she was very kind to all of us. So here to shows the relation between the kind adjective and pronoun us. So whatever relation between adjective, pronoun, noun, pronoun, or any other, the relation shown by that word is a preposition. Exercise 1. We need to fill in the blanks with a suitable preposition. Your first one. The policeman is dash duty. So, on duty. Second, I met a beggar dash the way. So, it will be on the way. Third, father is dash home. At home. Fourth, I was talking dash my friend to my friend. Fifth, he died dash plague of plague. Sixth, she is proud dash her beauty of her beauty. Seventh, I was surprised dash his failure at his failure. Eighth, I congratulate you dash your success on your success dash the examination in the examination. Ninth, I am not acquainted dash her with her. Tenth, I agree with you dash all points on all points. 11th, be kind dash the poor to the poor. 12th, he is married dash Rita to Rita. 13th, I warned him dash the danger of the danger. 14th, beware dash mad dogs of mad dogs. 15, he is famous dash his learning for his learning. 16, he is related dash me to me. 17, she laughed dash my face at my face. 18, I have no taste dash music for music. 19, I am sorry dash my mistake for my mistake. 20, her face is familiar dash me to me. So all these that we filled in are called prepositions. Your exercise 2. We need to underline the preposition and then we need to name their objects. So where will the object come? It will come after we pick out the preposition. It will be at the back behind the preposition that we underline. So your first one is he is related to me. So which is your preposition here? To. So we underline to and the object will be me, which is a pronoun. Second, I am not friendly with her. Your preposition is with, which we underline, and your object is her, which is a pronoun. Third, the train stopped at the station. At we need to underline because it is a preposition, and the object of this preposition is station, which is a noun. Fourth, she is always in need of money. Your preposition is of, we underline, and your object will be money. Fifth, I am related to him. Your preposition is to, which we underline, and your object is him, which is a pronoun. Sixth one, I have no taste of music. Your preposition is of, which we underline, and music is the object of this preposition. Seventh, the teacher complained against the boy to the principal. Against is your preposition, which we underline, and boy is the object of this preposition. Eighth, he ruled over a vast country. Over we need to underline because it's your preposition, and country will be the object of this preposition, over. Exercise 3, we again have to underline the prepositions in the following conversation. Conversation means it is a dialogue between two people. First one, Raman, hooray! Only 10 days left for the holidays. So here your preposition is for, which you underline. Rajesh, I am also happy. I was tired of the exams. Your preposition is of, which you underline. Raman, what do you want to do in the holidays? So your preposition is in, which you underline. Rajesh, I will go to a hill station. Your preposition is to, which you underline. The next dialogue, Mother, wake up your brother Minnie. He has been sleeping since 6 o'clock. So your preposition is since, which you underline. Minnie, he will get angry with me, mother. Preposition with, you need to underline. Mother, sprinkle some water on him. He will certainly get up then. Your preposition is on. Minnie, happily, sure mother, he will certainly not accuse me of rudeness now. So your preposition is of, which you need to underline. Exercise 4. Now you need to choose the preposition from the given brackets and complete the sentence. So your first one is, he takes delight dash teasing younger children. So your choice is in, out and about. So which is the right word? In. Second, she was ashamed dash her rude behavior. And your options are from, about, of. So your right answer will be of. Third, are you related dash her? And your options are with, to, by. So your right answer is to. Fourth, her class congratulated Sita dash her success in the tennis tournament. And your options are for, from, on. So your right answer will be on her success. Your fifth one, Raman is popular dash the workers. And your options are between, with and among. So your right answer will be among the workers. Exercise 5. Look at the two boxes. Choose the correct form of verb from the first box and add a preposition from the second box. So there are two options given to us. One are all the verbs and the next is all the prepositions. Now we have to pick one verb and one preposition, and we need to complete the blanks in these sentences. So which are the verbs given to us? Look, row, talk, wipe, park, through, reach, watch, built, beware. And the prepositions that are given to us are in, on, with, to, at, of, into, beside, before and near. So we need to pick one preposition, one verb and complete the sentence. Your first one, I need a duster to dash the table dash it. So I need a duster to wipe the table with it. So one is a verb, one is a preposition. Wipe is a verb, with is a preposition. Second one, you will need practice to dash the boat dash. So roar the boat on. Roar is your verb and on is your preposition. So we write one verb, one preposition. Your third one, I did not find anyone to dash in the party. So talk and then to. So talk is your verb and to is the preposition. Fourth, they were looking for a space to dash the car. So park is your verb and in is the preposition. Park in the car. Fifth one, the magazine did not have any pictures to dash. Look at. Look is your verb. At is your preposition. The sixth one, the boy dashes food dash the river. Threw his food into the river. So here your verb is through and preposition is into. Seventh one, he pasted a notice on his gate. Beware of dogs. So here your verb is beware and your preposition is of. Your eighth one, he dash his house dash a park. So built his house near a park. Built is your verb, near is your preposition. Ninth one, you must dash the station dash 10. Reach the station before 10. So reach is your verb, before is your preposition. 10th one, every morning I dash the birds twittering dash the river. Watch the birds twittering beside the river. So watch is your verb, beside is your preposition. So dear children, I hope you have understood this lesson of preposition. Now your homework is that you need to write the definition of preposition first in your English notebook and then complete these 5 exercises neatly in your English grammar notebook. So thank you and have a very nice day.